Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete reposts on your TikTok account. So if you don't want to have a repost showing on your profile anymore, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate over to your profile and select the little repost button up here. Go ahead and select that and then find the video you want to remove from your repost section and go ahead and open it up. And then it should say that you reposted it down here. Go ahead and select that. And then it should say reposted. Select the reposted button and then select remove repost. Select that. And now you should be good. It should be removed from this list. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.